Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how we can integrate smart bell thing to your existing bell. So this is my bell switch which is connected to normal 240 volt thing. So I have created a circuit which will trigger whenever we click this button, and it will broadcast some message to the Alexa, and it will say some message. So let me just click on it. As you can see, existing bell is still working.
Please open the door. Someone is at the door. Someone is at the doorbell.
So now you can see after clicking through the bell, I am able to broadcast the message, and someone as the doorbell is predefined message which cannot be changed, and then I have used routine to say any message, so it will be broadcasting your message to all the Alexa you have inside your house. So that's a demo of it. So I will create a tutorial video later this month if I get the time. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.